Hi everyone, this is Cassidy. Today I'll be making a video on how to use the Proquest research library software. It is very popular among many colleges. I know I use it most often out of all the databases, so that's why I chose to use it to do a tutorial on. And I hope it's very helpful for everyone. Just a little background. In 1996, the first internet version of UMI launched, and they called it Proquest. It enables libraries to deliver 5 centuries of world scholarship to the desktops of their users. Proquest is one of the most popular databases worldwide. It includes information and research in many fields, including business, health, medical, social studies, art, humanities, education, science, technology, and dozens of other disciplines. It is a very large database. It is useful for all these disciplines. It contains articles, ebooks, multimedia documents, newspaper articles, just anything really that you could ask for on a database. It includes, it has videos, audio, theses, just everything. As you can see on this page right here, if you click on the more, there is just unlimited resources on Proquest. Excuse me. Most articles do contain a link to a full text, but some just have a preview to a PDF, but all of them will have something you can click on. So for the tutorial, I'm going to show you how to search just a few different things and some tools that you can use that are really helpful. So first, this page that we're on, you can see here it says it's a basic search. The first thing I would do is just automatically click on the advanced search. It just gives you much more options. So you can start, you have the top search bar, of course, so I'm just going to do poverty in it. And to narrow down the field, I'm going to add in this row, poverty, crime, and add even another row, and add the United States. Because you have to add as much information as you can to narrow down the search as much as possible, because like I was saying before, there is just endless amounts of information on databases, especially Proquest, and so it's really important to narrow down your search as much as possible. Also, you see here, you can click on the publication date, which can be important. It usually is just on all dates, but if you're trying to find a recent document or a recent study or something of that sort, you definitely want to click on just however recent you need. I'm going to go last 3 months, and we're going to search. You see here that you what comes up is you do have in the titles or in the abstract the words that you searched, obviously, and all of these like published 2018, published 2018, they're all very new. So once you click on it, another really neat tool that you can use is when you scroll down here, you can actually search your search words, but have a subject. So if you start researching these topics and you realize, oh, I want to focus in on the criminal statistics. I don't want just vague articles about impacts. I want the actual statistics. So you could just click on it and you could hit search, and then it would actually just pull up results that are in the subject of criminal statistics. So those are some of the tools that you can use to narrow down your search. You can also click on the source type if you know that you want these criminal statistics to be from a scholarly journal. You do not want a newspaper article, you don't want a book. You can always click on that too, and you'll have even more narrowed down results. Okay, so we're going to actually do a different search now. Okay, so we're going to do a different search really quickly. You have, we want to go to advanced search, of course. So if we do just poverty and crime and we just remove this row, but we do this time, we want a full text. We want our source to be a full text we can use. So you just click right there, full text, search. So then when you click on your source, you would just click on it, and you would be able to download the PDF. Another cool trick you can use is the related items section. So if you read this article, you think it helps a lot, you can always click on one of these, and it should be really similar to that article. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks.